The AI image generation landscape just got a major shakeup. Two new models dropped this week that are changing everything we thought we knew about what's possible with AI-generated visuals. Let's dive into what makes them special and how you can start using them today. First up is Seedream 4.0 from ByteDance, and the results speak for themselves. This model can generate images at 4K resolution, which is a significant jump from what we've seen before. But resolution is just the beginning. What's really impressive is how it handles multiple image generation in a single prompt. Ask it for 4 images of a capybara with a monster drink on a snowy mountain, and you'll get exactly that. 4 distinct, high-quality 4K images that actually look realistic. The performance numbers are backing up these claims. On the artificial analysis leaderboard where users blind test different AI models, Seedream 4.0 has claimed the top spot for text-to-image generation. The ELO score shows it leading by almost 50 points above the second-place model, while most other models are clustered together in a much tighter range. That's not just a slight improvement, that's a significant leap forward. For image editing, the competition gets tighter. Seedream 4.0 is still number 1, but it's only ahead of Gemini 2.5 Flash or Nano Banana by a single point. When you factor in confidence intervals, it's essentially a tie, which shows just how competitive this space has become, especially considering Nano Banana only launched 2 weeks ago. Now here's the best part about Seedream 4.0. You can use it for free right now. LM Arena has added Seedream 4.0 to their platform, and they've included both the standard version and a high-resolution version that outputs 4K images. To get started, head to lmarena.ai and look for the direct chat option at the top. Make sure you click on the image icon, otherwise you'll only see text models. From there you can select either Seedream 4 or Seedream 4 High-Res for those 4K outputs. The interface is straightforward, just type your prompt and generate. Try something like a majestic golden dragon soaring above a futuristic city skyline at sunset, and you'll see what this model can do. The level of realism and attention to detail is genuinely impressive. But Seedream 4.0 isn't the only major release this week. Tencent just dropped Hunyuan Image 2.1, and while it might not match Seedream's 4K resolution, it brings something equally valuable to the table. It's completely open source and incredibly sophisticated at understanding complex prompts. Hunyuan generates images up to 2K resolution, which is still very high quality. Where it really shines is prompt comprehension. It's also excellent at incorporating text directly into images, working with both English and Chinese characters seamlessly. The model excels at various artistic styles, from photorealistic portraits to more stylized artwork. The faces it generates tend to look more realistic compared to some other open source alternatives. You can try Hunyuan Image 2.1 for free through a Hugging Face space, and I'll walk you through the interface. You'll enter your prompt in the main text box, choose your aspect ratio, and adjust a few key settings that I want to explain. The inference step setting controls how much processing time the AI spends on your image. More steps generally mean higher quality, but slower generation. The default of 50 steps works well for most cases. The guidance setting determines how literally the AI follows your prompt. Higher values make it stick closer to your exact words, while lower values give it more creative freedom. The default of 3.5 strikes a good balance. Generation takes around 2 minutes, which isn't the fastest out there, but the results are solid. While the aesthetic quality might not quite match Seedream 4.0, the fact that you can download and run this locally on your own hardware is huge for many users. Speaking of local deployment, Tencent has made the model weights available through their GitHub repository with complete setup instructions. Fair warning though, even the quantized FP8 version requires a GPU with 24GB of VRAM, so this isn't going to run on just any machine. However, the open source community typically creates more accessible versions pretty quickly. What we're seeing here represents 2 different approaches to advancing AI image generation. Seedream 4.0 shows what's possible when you prioritize pure performance and user experience through cloud-based access. Hunyuan Image 2.1 demonstrates the power of open source development, giving developers and researchers the tools to build and customize their own solutions. Both models represent significant steps forward, and the fact that you can start experimenting with either one today for free shows just how quickly this technology is becoming accessible to everyone. I'm genuinely excited about where AI image generation is heading, and I'll be keeping a close eye on both of these models to see how they evolve. If you found this breakdown helpful and want to stay updated on the latest AI tools and breakthroughs like these, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.